Hello everyone. So today is 26th of October and there is no video today, so I am having a very bad cold. So anyways, coming to the things today I shared my trade on Twitter for the Twitter followers. So bought at 84 and then 64 and then closed at 110. So 74 and then closing at 110 is giving a profit margin of 48.6%. If I wouldn't have averaged it out from 84 to 110, then also I would have got 30%. So also when this up move was coming, I clearly mentioned on Twitter also that was the sell on rise opportunity. The RSI was also not supporting here. That is, there was a bearish divergence in Nifty, and as well as there was a bearish divergence in BankNifty as well, and here and after that as you can see BankNifty and Nifty fell by 120 and 50 points respectively. So talking about the other data points, here my other trades in the morning, again bought 19,850 at 106. After that it went to 118 but I was expecting some more, so I couldn't I did not close. Later on it came down again, I averaged it out. The big guys were buying at 81 again, okay, and so I went with them, and here as you can see 1220 the big guys are buying at 81, and after that the price went to 104 or 102, but I closed at 100, and it was giving me a nice profit. Then I said that again, if there's a bounce again I'll initiate. There was a bounce that, and even on Twitter I said I'll do sell on rise. Then the next was posted on Twitter, that is initiated at 84 and again 64, and closed at 110. And finally also at the end some buying was being done, but I did not participate in that. I just shared the analysis, and after that even after 3 p.m. the price jumped from those levels. So talking about also this data that is, again though guys, this is the same Telegram channel. So so if you want such analysis during the live market hours, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. Talking about money flow in the morning was heavily negative, as you can see, minus 45, then minus 53, and finally again Nifty came down. Bank Nifty also minus 49, the money flow went, so then Bank Nifty came down. And talking about the levels, yesterday as it broke 90,250, I even said earlier that as soon as it breaks 90,250, it won't take much time to come to 18,850, which is the next best support zone. So so even for this support zone of 90,140, those who follow me daily on the analysis video, I said that this is not a very strong support, but yesterday still it took support there, and now it's today it came down and finally took support at 18,850, which is a major level. If that breaks, then we are further we can go till 18,600. So talking about this bar, so don't fall for it. It's not a green one. Go to the 1 minute chart and you will notice that it's a red one, okay. Even for the Bank Nifty as well, go to 1 minute chart and look at for yourself. Talking about talking about FIs, DIs buying. So FIs have again today sold for almost 1 billion, okay. So this is an amount, $1 billion I mean. So they have sold, and DIs try to support the market as usual. And talking about option chain, if you go and check, let's go and check 1st November option chain for Bank Nifty. So you'll notice that 42,500 has a nice OI built up. The put on the put side, it's not looking very good. So things are not looking very bullish, but let's see what positions are getting formed tomorrow first thing in the morning. So temporarily some up move can come, but but finally things are it would be a sell on rise opportunity then. Talking about our Nifty 2nd November expiry, the next one. So as you can see, 19,000 has a nice OI built up, then 18,900 as well. But on the put side, if you see, it's at 18,800, but that also it's not looking very great. So things are again even in Nifty also things are looking bearish. And talking about the other data points, that is coming to the EOD data, if you see here, then you'll see that mostly positions are being closed. But the main thing is that in the futures, that is like fresh. Not only they have carry forwarded their like short positions, the FIIs, they have further initiated huge amount of short positions, okay, and closed a lot of their futures long positions, okay. So I mean the long positions are almost nil in the futures, and they are heavily bearish in the futures. So any day again bloodbath can happen, huge gap down can occur. But again, do remember that they have time for this till the end of September. So coming to the prop decks, again they have like booked their profits in the future short positions yesterday, whatever they made. They're also closing their futures long positions at a loss, and that's the update for now for the prop decks. But overall they are bullish, but things are not working for the prop decks as we have seen in the past few days. So coming to the option chain, here you will see that all the positions are being closed. So overall look at this, this Friday, then last Friday. So from there, if you calculate their position, so overall I mean from the point they started buying puts. So if you notice their positions overall from that point to this point, so it's overall like no put writing, okay, rather than like put buying is still there. And then call writing has been done, so call writing positions are there. For the prop decks, no put writing, no call put buying as well, but call writing is there, okay. So overall option chain is now is bearish, but we should also, like, if you notice here the overall position, so you can very well see that huge call writing has been done by the FIIs as well as the prop decks. So that's the overall view. And yeah, so again things are looking bearish. If there is some rise, so it would be a sell on rise opportunity, and that's my final verdict. I'm still bearish, but again, for temporarily tomorrow or a few days, that might be like depending on what the retail traders are doing. Some bullish positions might be formed until unless 18,850 is taken down. But please note that if there is some rise, it's again going to be a good opportunity for sell on rise. According to my analysis, I can go wrong. As you have seen, like my analysis went correct, like from 18,000 19,000 from 900, I kept on saying like things are not things are going to come down, and finally they did. So if like my analysis are helping you, if you want such analysis, live analysis in the future, so please don't forget to put a like, and please do share it among the other traders. And thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.